Hi Rustam, what happened? You're coming late from work today. You left the office earlier than me. What took you so long?
I had to go to the electricity office to pay the bill. I stood for almost 2 hours in the long queue to pay the bill.
Oh, but you could have paid the bill while coming back home or after reaching home.
Really? How is that possible?
It is possible through mobile banking service available on your smartphone. Services like sending and receiving money, opening RD, FD accounts, bill payments, electricity, water, gas, checking account balance have become very easy now.
Irfan, does it cost anything?
Absolutely nothing. Also, it is fast, easy and available 24/7.
Could you teach me how to set up and use mobile banking on my phone?
Of course. First make sure that your bank account, Aadhaar and your mobile number are linked. Then making online payments is very simple. Come, let me show you now. Step 1. Download your bank's mobile application via Play Store in your phone. Step 2. Open the application and click on Existing Customer. Step 3. Next, click on Login using Internet Banking ID. You will find Internet Login ID in the envelope that bank sent you when you opened the account or on first page of passbook. Step 4. On the next page, you will be asked, do you have an SBI Internet Banking ID? To confirm, tap Yes. Step 5. On the registration page, enter your username, password and submit. Step 6. Now to set the MPIN, select the inbox and tap Next. Step 7. On the new screen, set up a 6-digit MPIN of your choice for your account and tap Next. Step 8. You will receive OTP on your bank registered mobile number. Enter OTP and tap Next.
It's done. Now that my mobile banking is set up, I can pay the bill from anywhere.
Exactly. And you can avoid being late from work.
Thanks, yaar. This will save so much of my time.
If you want to start your mobile banking journey, then number 1, download your bank's mobile app from Play Store. Number 2, follow the steps mentioned in the video to set up your mobile banking. Number 3, make a transaction of 1 rupee to check if all your steps are complete. Now you can be confident about using mobile banking. To know more about digital financial services, visit multiply.org.in. Multiply is a non-profit initiative by Credit Foundation.